How to delete your Wix website. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can delete a Wix website that you have created on Wix.com easily. So what you have to do is you will simply open up your Wix, go to manage.wix.com or your dashboard and go to My Sites. In My Sites, we will be able to check all of the sites that we have created on Wix. You can see I have few of websites created, but I want to delete this site permanently. So what you have to do is you will simply select the site. You will simply come to the site you want to delete. And when we simply hover over the website, you will find this option right here, which is Site Actions. Click on Site Actions and it will open up a drop down menu for you. In the menu, the last option is Move to Trash. Simply click on Move to Trash. Now they're asking for the permission. I will simply click on Move to Trash again. And there you go. That website has been removed from here and now it is in the bin. If you want to delete a website from your trash as well, you can simply go to Site Actions again and we can restore the website. For example, you accidentally deleted a website, you can restore it. Or if you want to remove it permanently, then you can simply click on Remove Site. Then you can see it will be permanently deleted and you will not be able to restore it. Simply click on Remove and this site will be deleted permanently and it will be no longer available in the trash. Simply go back and now you can see we don't have that website and we have deleted it. This way you can delete any website from Wix.com. If I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.